Hi guys, it's Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you an up-close look at this toddler bed rail. I'm going to run through assembly really quick and give you a look at how it installs. For the most part, it was a very simple and quick process. Assembly is laid out very clearly in the instruction guide, and I have the 59-inch bed rail, so it gives me exactly step by step what needs to happen with that size and all of the other size options. So it was really quick and simple. Now, I went ahead and had all of my pieces put together before I got it slid underneath the bed. However, you can wait to attach the top to the base after the base has been put under the bed. It does slide deep underneath the mattress for stability, and they do provide you with either two Velcro straps or an anchor strap. Depending on your bed frame or mattress setup, you can choose which works best for you, and everything is explained in the instruction manual. There's no tools needed, everything just locks in tight, and you get the extra security from the straps as well. I love that it has the swing down feature. You can press the two buttons and the whole rail lowers smoothly so you can get in and out of bed without lifting your toddler or climbing over anything. And then the fabric is super soft. The mesh is breathable and see-through, and the rail is tall enough to give you real peace of mind. You can easily see through it while your baby sleeps or plays, so I just really love the design of this. The bed rail is sturdy, it's comfortable, and it's going to fit most mattress sizes: king, queen, full, and twin. So if you need extra nighttime safety without complicated installation, this one is a really great pick.